Here's my PowerPoint template with these 6 primary colors. I have an Excel backup for charts that I will be importing into this PowerPoint. However, the colors in this Excel are not the same as my PowerPoint template, and manually updating RGB colors for each chart will be a painful process. To make life easy, I will show you how to import PowerPoint color palette into your Excel file. To do this, first go into the slide master of your PowerPoint template. Under View tab, click on Slide Master. Click on the color option and then on Customize Colors. It automatically pulls all the primary color of the current PowerPoint. Rename it as you wish and click Save. Now go to the Excel file and under Page Layout tab, click on Colors. Look for the palette that you have just saved and click on it. Your Excel will get updated with the new colors. Hope this was useful. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my tutorial, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.